Today we're making 3 dozen peanut butter cupcakes with Evan. It's my family recipe. First up, we have 3 cups of sugar. Next up, we have 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. Next, we have 4.5 teaspoons of baking soda. Now we have 1 cup of butter, of melted butter. Now we have 3 eggs. Mix. Next, we beat it. Then, in a separate bowl, you mix 1.5 cups of milk with 1.5 tablespoons of vinegar. When you're done, you mix 3 3/4 cups of flour and the milk and vinegar with your chocolate mixture. You need to mix alternatively. Make sure you beat it very well.
Ow! Hi, GoPro.
Next, you need 1.5 cups of boiling water.
It looks hot.
Then you stir it very well.
I don't trust you. Now the fun part. That's good.
Next, you put your cupcake batter in your baking cups. Like that. Next, you put your Reese's peanut butter cups in your batter. Then you take your batter again and fill up cover the Reese's peanut butter cups.
It looks like you're supposed to bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes. And if you want to be special, bake it for 19. That doesn't scare me.
Next, we're gonna make the peanut butter frosting.
With peanut butter. So here is powdered sugar. And it is 4 cups. Ooh, especially. You have to put 4 of these in.
2.5 sticks of unsalted butter. And now you mix. Beat it.
Okay, now you have 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 3 of them.
Now you have 1 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream.
And so you got 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Spread it all around.
If you want to make it thicker, then you can put more powdered sugar in it. After your frosting is all done and your cupcakes are all done, this is what it looks like.
You take a half of a Reese's peanut butter thick cup and you put it on your top of your cupcake like this. And then you do that.